come back and make more adjustments after you become more accustomed to the guitar and the neck after playing it for a while. But yeah, from here we're going to test the guitar. So unfortunately I'm left-handed, so it's a little difficult for me to do a thorough demonstration of the sound of the guitar, but we will just check the pickups quickly. Okay, so just checking bridge position. Bridge volume is working. You can hear our tone changing there. So middle position, which is a combination of both humbuckers. We can hear both volumes are working. And lastly, neck position. We see our neck volumes are working correctly. Okay, so the next thing I would do is turn the guitar as loud as possible on your volume and just take your hands away from the guitar. Now hopefully you're not hearing any electrical interference or hum. This guitar's fairly silent, which is good. And if you did hear any interference or hum, what you're probably looking at is an issue with your ground circuit. So I would go back into the electronics cavity and just have a look at those black wires we soldered up earlier. You may find one's gotten loose or there's a loose connection somewhere. Okay, and the last thing I would do is just check the neck itself. So I'd play up and down the neck, play each string, play each fret, all the way up and down the neck. And what you're looking for there is any signs of fret buzz or any dead notes. And if you do come across anything like that, you know you can then adjust the amount of neck relief or adjust the action to try and counter that. Okay, so that's the end of the project. I hope you've enjoyed building your guitar as much as I have. Thanks for watching.